buy this course right now. You need no money down. You don't need a storage. You don't need a college degree, and everybody can do it. Let's get some money together.
Alright, no. Don't worry. This is not what the video will be about. Hi, my name is Vašek, and today I will take you through my dropshipping path. What I did, what worked out for me, again, what didn't, and I will try to share with you everything I know about dropshipping. Dropshipping on its own is a very smart way how to make money. It can really work, but there are glitches on a way that you need to avoid to become successful. First thing, dropshipping is not a passive income. It's full-time job, and you really need to take care of it if you want to make it work. Before we start, quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm not telling you to do it, neither not to do it. It's all up to you. I'm just sharing with you what I've done so you can learn out of it. Before we start, if you're interested in videos like that, just hit that subscribe button below and show me that you like videos like this. It will, really help me. And yeah, let's get into it. So today I'll be talking about dropshipping, what dropshipping is. I will show you my personal experience, what I did and how it worked out for me. And then I will share with you what to focus on and what to avoid on your path to become successful dropshipper. So let's get into it. Alright, so quickly about dropshipping. What is dropshipping? What are you talking about right now? So the dropshipping, you are pretty much the middleman, person that makes the marketing for the product. So you are trying to sell the product to customer, but you don't actually own the product. So how it works is you find a product for cheap somewhere on a website. I will share with you what websites you can use and where to find it, and you advertise it on the different platforms. So let's say you would advertise it on Amazon, eBay. You get it out of AliExpress, DHgate, Wish, and let's say your product costs $10. It costs you to buy $10 with shipping, but you market it for $18, so your profit is $8 on it. And once your buyer buys it from you, what you do is you set up the order with your supplier, but your supplier doesn't ship it to you. Your supplier ships it straight to your customer. So if you think about it this way, it's super simple, and it should always work, right? So what could go wrong? So let me show you a real example of how this actually works. So right now I'm on AliExpress. It's aliexpress.com. It's a part of Alibaba. It's, I would say, the biggest retailer in China. So over here I actually typed the same case that I was using when I was dropshipping. So that was my best seller. So I can show it to you when I was doing it. I was buying it off of AliExpress as well, and I was using this buyer, which I don't recommend now, but that's what I was doing. So here's where I bought it. I bought it I was buying, I think, a little cheaper, between $5.50 to $5.94. That's how much does it cost you to buy it. And here is where you sell it. So if you look at eBay, I could find only one seller selling it right now, which is pretty reasonable. It's pretty cheap. $7.39 to $9.79. When I was selling it, I think I was selling it, let me check, I can check it for you. I was selling it for, right above $9. Yeah, so you find it over here on either AliExpress or, as I said, DHgate or Wish. Wish wanted me to sign up, so I didn't want to do that. So let's close the wish. Okay, so you find it here. As you can see, the prices are really cheap. This one, it's $3.97. It's exactly the same case as I was using, but obviously the guy I was using was a little more pricier. This one, same case, a little more expensive. This is something somewhere right in between. But as you can see, the phone cases look really good, and the price is uncomparable to eBay or Amazon. These wooden cases, that's something I would buy. All right. Oh, here's one more. $3.84. Okay, so then you buy it over here. You find the product that you like on one of those websites, and then you go to Amazon. Here we go. Amazon sells the same case for $9.57. Here's a little different type, $14, almost 15. And you can see that there is a lot of sellers selling similar products. It's a little harder to get onto Amazon rather than on eBay. So I was using eBay. If I would do it again, I would get on Amazon, just because Amazon has a way better name, and I would change some stuff up, but I would definitely use Amazon. It's harder to get in. For example, you need a product number. It's like a identification product number, which every product should have. So if you can't get it, there is a way to get around it. You can pretty much buy a barcode and associate it with your product. So there are ways how to get around it and how to make it work. But I would definitely shoot for Amazon next time. eBay, easier to get. You don't need anything like that. It's fairly simple to set it up, and you can start selling. So this is how it works, and here is how it worked for me. So what I just showed you is pretty simple. You buy it for $3, $4, $5, sell it for 10, make $5 profit, boom, easy. So what can go wrong, right? What went wrong for me is once you set up the ad over there, you say that they're going to ship the item within so many days. I would always try to it's hard, but I would always try to give myself enough time for my supplier to deliver the product to my customer. But what happens with those foreign website, sometimes it takes really long time for them to ship it, and that's where I would start losing money. So let's say people would like my product, they would want to buy it, they bought it, I would ship it, but my supplier was too slow, and that's where I started losing money. So over here you can see I had to reimburse people for 2 drones that they bought, which cost me $130. That was $130 that I had to take out of my profits. Over here, 8 cases, so 8 phone cases. So out of all of those things, I think I sold here 6 to 50, almost 45 products, which would generate some money. But because I had to reimburse my customers so many times, that's why it didn't work out. So over here 2 drones, over here 8 wooden cases, over here 3 drones, which is 194 plus 73, that's what, 250, over 250, 350, 380, and overall I would lose 220. So so I would be making almost $200 on this, which didn't take that much time, and it obviously works. People are buying the products. So the takeaway from this is you definitely need to have reliable supplier. So this business is not solely based on you, it's also based on your supplier. So buyer buys it, you gotta send it to your supplier right away because you don't have time to wait, but then your supplier needs to start sending the products out right away. So this could work for dropshipping, could work for any type of products. It doesn't need to be from AliExpress or DHgate. Actually, if you can find it for cheaper somewhere else, I would almost use that. Let's say if you find that somewhere within the US and you are shipping to customers within US, it will be way faster to ship from US to US rather than using international websites to buy those products. So yeah, that's one of the main things to do. And then I would focus on higher higher profit margins. So let's say the phone case, I was making $5 per sale, but on a drone, if you look at a drone, I was making $28 off of a sale. I was buying it for 36 and I was selling it for 34. So I would make $28. But the same amount of work would go into that. I would still have to buy it from the supplier. I would still have to send it to my customer, but I would make way much more money on that. So if I start doing this again, and I might, and I will let you know how it works out, I would focus on higher ticket products. Let's say $100, $200. It's great because it's easier for you to make a profit over there. I mean, if you buy it for 200, you can sell it for 250. You're making $50 off of one product. But over here, if I buy case for $5, I can't really sell it for 55 to make $50 profit, if that makes sense. So let me know if you have any questions about dropshipping, or maybe one more thing, sorry. Tracking number, super important, but what is important is you need to have a reliable shipping company. You want to use someone, DHL, or someone that operates within US. You don't really want to use Chinese providers. They gave you the tracking number, which was something I was shooting for, but their tracking numbers don't always work, and that was another issue that I had with eBay, because they asked me, okay, what is the tracking number? I sent them the tracking number and they said, oh, sorry, we can't find it. You have to reimburse your buyer, which I had to do. So yeah, if you have any questions about dropshipping, leave a comment below, ask me anything. I will have the answer for you. If not, I will find that answer and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Alright, I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you found it useful and it will help you with your dropshipping experience, and you can be more successful than I was with this business. If you like the video, please like it, comment below, and hit the subscribe button. It will really help me out and it will show me that you guys enjoy these videos, and I will try to make more of those. I really want to, I'm passionate about it, but it's great to get that feedback. So thank you, and see you soon.